So I had ran out of tokens. Not literally ran out of tokens because, well, we haven't built the app yet, but metaphorically I ran out of tokens. I had gotten a lot of one-on-one mentoring time from Felix Angelov. Felix Angelov is an incredible Flutter developer. He open sourced a library that he uses for state management called BLoC, and he spent a lot of time explaining to me one-on-one in a project how it's implemented and showing me neat tips and tricks. Just last week, I went to go ask him more questions and he was busy. He was helping others. I had metaphorically ran out of tokens. And so I decided, I was like, I'm trying to build this platform L2T, and I'm implementing, why don't I implement it and put it into practice? Why don't I go and help somebody else and earn tokens? And so I went on the Discord channel. I noticed that there was someone who asked a question that no one had answered, and I helped him out. His name was Hewa. So first off, L2T is a platform that awards tokens to users who validate the understanding of new learners. Learners use tokens to get one-on-one time with validators. Validators give learners projects to complete, and once done, learners get certified in the topic, and validators earn a token. Using this model, we can recreate the way that we naturally learn. So for example, when I first started learning guitar, I picked up tips and tricks from many different people. My brother would go and play, he'd teach me how to play backbird. I met up with a stranger one time, he showed me this little riff. You see, the way we naturally learn is from people passing down knowledge, sharing something that we didn't know before in just this natural, genuine way. And with tokens, we can recreate that experience. We can incentivize a way so that people can naturally connect with each other and share knowledge. And it's not free. Learners get enough tokens to a point where if they want to continue to get this one-on-one mentorship, they either have to add to a topic or start validating new learners themselves. So why are we building this on the Hedera Token Service? Well, besides the speed and the genuine ownership of content, the most important thing for us was the matching capability. So learners match with validators, specific validators that have been validated to know the topic that this learner wants to be validated on. And so how do we know that this validator isn't just lying, isn't a fake? Well, that's where the consensus algorithm, Hedera, shines so bright. The point here is that we can use the Hedera token system to almost instantly verify that this person has been validated for all of these topics, which will greatly accelerate our ability to give matches. So back to our story, I gave Hewa a couple small projects that would not only help him understand better about BLoC, it would also help us build this platform which would recreate this experience for other people. Both of them are using the state management solution of the BLoC pattern. And so the first one was to implement authentication with Firebase and the BLoC pattern. Number two was to create a block to manage the video chat function for when the validator is called. And so here you can see he got both of those up and running, and it's incredible. In such a short amount of time, he was accelerated. He was able to implement these things and understand, get the help that he needed and understand an advanced topic inside UI. To sum it up, L2T is built to foster this community-generated wiki that fosters, that incentivizes us to share. And it doesn't have to be just coding, advanced UI techniques. It can also be for art, cooking, teaching music. The whole point of using Hedera Hashgraph is so that we can really create this Uber of teaching in a way that is safe and secure, and above all, one that really fosters and facilitates the learning and sharing of knowledge. I really thank you guys so much for listening to this video and for following our adventure. All right, stay tuned for more. Take care.